Namaste everyone. Thank you very much first of all for joining me at this time in this tutorial. So here in this lecture I'm going to show you a game I have made using Pygame and computer vision together. So this is how the game can be played. So you can see a balloon going upwards, and if I touch it with my fingertip, it will disappear and the score will get incremented by 10 every time the finger collides with the balloon. So this is what the game is all about. So it's based on computer vision and Pygame. I hope you guys know about Pygame. There are number of lectures I showed it on Pygame. So basically it's a module with the help of which you can create 2D games. So that's the whole code I have used for creating this game. If you want to create such beautiful games using artificial intelligence, then please contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screens right now. Fine. Thank you very much for being with me, for checking out this lecture. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.